Hey guys, I'm Cassie and today I'm going to teach you an at-home Chinese medicine protocol that is used to prevent the coronavirus. For this quick and easy protocol today, we are going to be using Moxibustion or Moxa. If you're unfamiliar with this herb, that's okay. I just recently posted an article on my website explaining the herb's therapeutic properties and uses. You can find that at www.wellnesswithacupuncture.com. This protocol is specifically for the prevention stage of the coronavirus and is from a webinar that the Lotus Institute of Integrative Medicine hosted. So I'll leave a link to that for you guys below for those of you who are interested in the research and science behind this. All right, so let's get started. What you're going to need for this is a smokeless Moxa stick, Moxa Extinguisher, a lighter, and an ashtray. So I've left links for you in the comments below as to where you can purchase all of these items. The first thing that I'm going to do is to very carefully use my lighter to light the end of the smokeless Moxa stick. Once the end is fully warmed up, I'm going to begin to apply the heated end to my first point, which is stomach 36. This is located slightly under the lateral kneecap, just lateral to the anterior crest of the tibia, right about here. I am going to keep the Moxa about an inch or two away from my skin, keeping it close, but making sure it is not too hot. For this point, I will be moving the Moxibustion in a slow, controlled movement for 15 minutes on each side bilaterally. For the next step, you have the option to choose between 2 points. For this video, I am demonstrating a point called Ren 12. This point is located halfway between the belly button and the sternocostal angle, aka the lowest part of your sternum. For this point, we apply Moxibustion in the same way that we did earlier for 10 minutes. The other point to be used is called Ren 6. This is located about 2 fingers below the belly button at the midline of the body. So each treatment should alternate between using Ren 6 and Ren 12, both applied for 10 minutes each. So for example, the treatment that I showed you today began with stomach 36 bilaterally and then Ren 12. The next treatment that I do, I will begin with stomach 36 bilaterally and then Ren 6. This protocol should be done twice per day, once in the afternoon and once in the evening. All right, I hope you guys all found this video helpful and informative. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and subscribe. I hope you're all doing your best to stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time.